Welcome to A Course with No Name. This learning experience is intended for new instructors at a community college who are expected to use Moodle to support their face-to-face classroom teaching in the upcoming semester. Now, they may be teaching in a wide range of fields, and for the most part have limited teaching experience and even more limited time to learn how to use Moodle effectively. The intent of this experience is to help them build empathy for their students' struggle in using the tools within Moodle, and at the same time develop some basic design principles that they can then apply to their own Moodle courses, whether they're building them from scratch or working with content inherited from a previous instructor. So, the first phase of this involves being a student in the worst Moodle course ever designed. The learners go on a bit of a scavenger hunt, trying to identify things that are dreadfully wrong with the course. For example, section names are inconsistent and meaningless. The course outline, where did I put that? Oh, there it is. Isn't called course outline, so it's really hard to find. There's an important file further down here somewhere. Important information that's in a weird file format that nobody can read. And then there's a fairly irrelevant giant picture that wastes just a whole lot of scrolling space. So they're sent to find certain things, but then they're also encouraged to find other things on their own. They then go and they share these findings in a discussion forum with other participants in the course. They share their discoveries, suggestions for improvements, and the intent is that they will generate some kind of self-worded design principle that they can take with them to apply to their own course. So once they've gone through that and found a few of the things that are wrong in this course, they go back to the dashboard and they go into a sandbox course in which they have editing permission. So they're the teacher in this course and they can edit things. They can fix titles, they can fix things, they can move things around. I'm just going to, as an example, get rid of this horrible picture. Click on this guy, picture, delete. Oh, I feel so much better. So it's a safe, student-free sandbox. They can play around and then hopefully take those skills back to their own course. And what I'm hoping that they will do is put some of their kind of self-worded design principles in here to share with other participants and take them back and apply them. So my intent for this kind of two-phase process is that it will be an engaging way to get new instructors to think about Moodle from a student perspective and, for me, reduce the number of mid-semester emergency calls from confused and frustrated students.